Alright guys, so we got this new toolbox for me. Done with using Dad's and the two things over there. Now we got this. So we got all the sockets laid out on the top, measuring tape, all the adapters and extensions. Bottle opener, you know, you gotta need that. We got all the ratchets. Then come into this drawer. Can't open it all the way. It's a little like got stuck.
Had a little situation.
Yeah, got a little stuck. Screwdrivers, picks. Yeah. I don't know. This drawer, we got drills.
Tons of Milwaukee drills.
No,
We may drill a hole back here to run a power strip through to.
Yeah, that'd be a nice.
To charge them. I think that's what we
should
do.
You can run your chargers through that hole.
If you plug it up. Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, and then we got this. We got split ring pliers, wrenches, multi-tool thing.
Vice grips, locking pliers, everything.
We got ratcheting wrenches, regular wrenches, and then the mini wrenches.
SE and metric.
But overall, we got mallet, T-handles, torque wrench. That's just the actual thing. Then some O-rings, and then Milwaukee base bottom with that, and then we got this little thing on the side with the can and stuff. And yeah, that's it. It's a US General, like 30-inch.
Yeah, two of the wheels rotate on this side. Oh, it's a good. And it comes with the little liners for the drawers, so you don't bang your ears up throwing wrenches in there.
Well, that was it.
It's a